Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to do the unboxing of Hoteon MobiLife Bluetooth Extendable Selfie Stick with wireless remote and tripod stand. So the weight of this is 0.30 kgs, and we ordered it from Amazon, and the MRP and we got this from Amazon, and the price of this is rupees 698. So now I'm going to open it. So this is a technical support card, MobiLife. So in this we have removable shutter button, and then it has wireless control, it is durable, and it has pole body material and 120 rotation. So specifications are: main material is stainless steel, mount holder is 6.5 cm to 10 cm, pole length is 20 cm retracted, pole length is 60 cm extended, and product size is 5.1 multiplied by 3.5 multiplied by 19.3 cm, and the battery is CR1632, and it is replaceable, and it has compact, lightweight size, and design makes it easy to carry. High durability, lightweight stainless steel pole design, extendable up to 60 cm, adjustable clamp extensions to hold any phone up to 10 cm in width, designed to take a phone with a click of the button. So this the product will look. Now I'll open the box. Dun, dun, dun.
Okay.
So this is the product now.
So guys, selfie sticks already open. Let me show you how it looks like.
It is very compact, and we could
is
carry
very
everywhere.
compact. This is for tripod. You can see how much we can extend, and this is
60 cm.
these are the three legs. So I'll just close it. I'll show you the remote. Yes, it is detachable remote here. Either you can use in your hand, or sometime if you can use here also. Yeah. So you connect, you can put a mobile here. So I'm going to put my iPhone 10 here. So let's see. Okay, then I'm going to enable Bluetooth. Let's see whether it is going to detect Bluetooth or not. Okay, it's taken to some. Okay, looks like this one. Extreme smart box. Okay, I'll connect this to my phone Bluetooth and I'll show you how I can detect and click the photos. So it is very compact and it looks good. You can make videos and can use this selfie sticks. Thank you very much.
Please
Guys, like, subscribe,
and share my
share
videos.
my videos.
Till then, thank you and bye.
Bye bye.